Okay, if you're to fold this up, so you were to cut this out and fold it up, right, we get a box. Okay, so let's see here, if I can draw it. Okay, it looks like something like that. I hope I'm doing a good job visualizing. This is about to close box. Okay. No, that should be solid. Okay, so it's a box that's about to close. Okay, so you can see this length here is where it's been cut out. So that's x, which makes the height x. Okay, and the base here is going to be 120 minus 2x. There's x on each side. And similarly, this length here is 100 minus 2x. So that will be 120 minus 2x. And then from here to here will be 100 minus 2x. Okay. So the volume then will be 120 minus 2x, 100 minus 2x times by x. Okay, and the surface area for the open top box, right, will involve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. The bottom is 120 minus 2x times by 100 minus 2x. So that's the area for this right here in the center here. And then we have to get the area of these two sides. So that's x times, right, x times 100 minus 2x. But we have 2 of this, and right, this right here will be x times by 120 minus 2x. But we have 2 of that. So that's the surface area. And as for the domain, okay, so domain is referring to what can x be? Well, x has to be greater than 0 to be a box. If it's 0, that means we're not cutting out anything. And the maximum we can cut out is halfway point of the smaller length of the two. Because if it goes beyond bigger than half, we're cutting out the entire thing. In that case, so the 100 is a smaller value. So we can't cut more than 50, because if we are, right, we're entirely we're cutting out too much, so we can't even create a box. So it has to be less than 50, okay? And then this is C, part D, write a simplified expression for the ratio of the volume to surface area. Okay, I'm gonna actually factor out a 2 and 2 from here. I get this. Okay, I could have done exactly the same thing with this. So note that 2 and 2, I can just combine that to get a 4. And same here. Okay, and then you can also factor another 2 from there to combine with that 2 to get 4. And same here. Factor out a 2 from here to get a 4. Okay, so that's all factored out. Okay, all I did was factor out the 4x out here, so I can reduce it. Okay, then we have 60 minus x, 50 minus x, all over all of this, right? 60 minus x, 50 minus x. Actually, that's been factored out too, so there's no x. So this actually will just simplify to 110 minus 2x. Okay, so let's expand that to, that's 300, and you get minus 50 minus 60 minus 110x plus x squared. Okay. And then if you combine them with this, you get x squared minus 112x, 300 410. Okay. And this is not going to factor to give one of these two factors. So this is the simplest form.